for another DIY. Y'all remember these? The Dollar Tree acrylic bookends. So today I decided I'm going to make me some unique bookends. I'm taking a mirror. I believe I got this from Temu, and it has an adhesive back. Some different acrylic gems. This napkin holder that I got from Mart. And I'm just gonna put these gems on here. I've got some more gems to go on there too. If you've been looking at my channel for a little while, you see I do a lot of different things with the ice gems and the wet and scatter and the two different colors. So I've got these and I've got some silver. I've got a little leftover epoxy that I try not to waste because epoxy is expensive, guys. I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I put some epoxy resin down on the bottom because it's getting thick, and now I'm just going to take a few pieces drop them on there. A special shout out to all of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Without you all, this channel would be absolutely nothing. And I'll just keep building it up until I get it high enough where I want it. I'll come back when this dries and when I'm building up the next section and the next section. I'm back. Now the challenge with this is to keep mixing up a little epoxy at a time, letting it get thick, putting it on there and putting more acrylics on, just kind of building on top of one another. But when you want something unique in your home, you do what it takes. This is how this is looking, guys. And this is how the beautiful bookends turned out. That is so gorgeous, guys. They're a little heavy too. them here on this table temporarily because I'm working on another project that should be coming next year where they will be placed. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another DIY video. I hope everyone is having a blessed holiday so far, getting your shopping done safely. I've been trying to upload the DIY boycott, and it's a fail, guys. I'm going to try one more time. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.